Jalop jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua makochung' motegno ni sirkal osegolo pesa ne tend kaontis mag kedo gi midhiero mag El Nino. Romo gi jokanyo e pare ma Karen. Gachagua wacho ni maromo siling bilion 2.4 osegol mar rakruok gi midhiero mar koth mar El Nino. Odiochieng' manyoro Gachagua nyose kaontis kuom rem keto pesa ne kedo gi pek mar koth mar El Nino.
There has been a misconception that some county governments have been waiting for the national government to give them money for this intervention. That is not the case. The national government will provide funds through the county coordination teams. The development partners and humanitarian agencies will do the same, and we expect the county governments to do the same. We are therefore a little bit shocked when we see governors complaining that they are yet to receive money for El Nino from the national government. Such money is not forthcoming. They are expected to use emergency money within their financial provision and to reallocate money within their budget to intervene for the people that they govern. As a national government, last week we released 2.4 billion Kenya shillings as an initial injection into the effort, and will continue to inject more as we proceed on.